guys, this is your channel host Vignesh for the channel Touring Techies. So in today's vlog we are going to see a new unboxing video. I thought that why can't I do it in a different way, just speaking to you guys so that I can connect with you behalf of keeping it underneath the camera and just doing the unboxing and showing the working of it. So today I'm going to just show you the knee guards which I bought it before because I met with an accident on the month of November, in which a dog crossed in my lane and I was supposed to fall because it went under my wheels. So it slipped my balance and I fell down. So it happened on November 23rd, I think, and till now I am suffering from some knee problems, so that it's safe to have a knee guard while you are riding. So just I thought that why can't I buy a knee guard and just reveal it to you guys. It's one of the best. I can't say it as the best because the knee guard categories are up to 1 lakhs. Okay, so it's just a primary one which will save you from small accidents but not large one. So today I am going to just make an unboxing of this. Just 2 days before I received this product, you can see there it's the box which I received it from Amazon. It's large and bigger, but the product is too small, guys. So don't get disappointed. Now wait for the unboxing. I'll be doing soon. So then guys, the unboxing is over now and I'm going to just explain you about these knee guards. So these knee guards are perfectly tested one, and you get the Scoyo brandings in the front side, and I prefer the black one because it will merge with your bike color. There is also other two variants with the white one and also with the yellow one, which can also be your bike color and you may like it. So I will give the link in the description box below, so don't worry about that. I also have some of the knee guards which are priced more than this. This cost about 3099 rupees, but the other variant just cost about 2000 something. So I thought that of buying that, but these are more flexible, so I went to these choices. So guys, there is totally 3 variants in it, the K11, the K12, and the final one is the 3099 more. I don't remember the name of it. You get nice ventilated knee guards where you can find ventilations in the bottom and also in the top side, which will give you freshness in your leg and doesn't sweat a lot. Okay, so guys, you get good meshing inside, and you also get a soft foam which will help in keeping your knee quite comfortable. These are the straps which are coming with this, and they are good, elastic and durable. So I think that they can move around 2 to 3 years, but every knee guard should be changed every 2 years because it's mandatory, like helmets, guys. For touring purposes, these are enough. We can see that these are all made by polycarbonate ABS materials, which is fragile and also which can protect your leg and your knees. I saw a test video in which they hit it with a hammer for more than 10 strikes, but it didn't break itself. I'm not used to that. I will do a clean review when I'm on the ride. I bought this variant because the 2000 rupees variant, which is the K11, only had some zip ties like something, so that you can just pull it and you have to do the velcro thing. But in here it's easy and flexible. You need to take the strap and you have some groovers over here. Just put it inside and lock it. Okay, then it will be strong enough to hold your legs till your ride ends. Then you get flexibility of the whole flexibility of your knees. You can just see now. Wow, it's great, guys. This much flexibility is needed for your leg because you will be taking different positions. So this knee guards will be suited for all the bikes and the bikers. I think that it has great flexibility and movability. So guys, during my ride I will surely make a video of it, that how I feel about it. I will say all the things which I feel about this. If it's not worthy, I will just say it to you. When you're first wearing it, you will be finding somewhat difficulty in walking, but you have to wear a jeans or a riding pant. You don't need a guard when you are wearing a riding pant, but cheap riding pants can make out with it. Okay, if you have a greater riding pants like Rhinox and Biking Brothers, don't worry about that. You don't need this. You just buy the riding pants and you carry on. But you are a beginner and you need to go short distances, but wearing all those snug fits like riding jacket, riding pants. Riding jacket is okay, but riding pants, if you feel it's not comfortable for wearing in summer seasons, just you need to take it and put it in your bag, and you can use it at any place you want. You have to also get a good carry case for this, so you can keep it in your saddle bags or in your tail bag according to your purpose. The main thing is that the reliable, and the main thing is that in this guard is that it's removable. The pads are totally removable and washable. But there is an important note in this, guys. You always remove these tags and put it in the dustbins. But these has lot of the information for I think that you can read it. They have written it, do a hand wash, and they also said do not bleach, drip dry, and do not wash in washing machine. It's an important note. Don't wash it in a washing machine. So you may feel it, it's easy to wash in a washing machine, but don't do that mistake. Please use your hands to wash it. You just soak your these foam. You just soak your foams in the water for 20 to 25 minutes by adding surf excels or any other detergents, and just dip it inside and put it in the sunlight, so it will drain and you will get a fresh, odorless foams which can protect your leg and actually give you more comfort. You just need to take it to this port and you just need to keep it and click it on. It's fitted, and same as the other side also. Okay, it's easy. And because Chimala has discussed about an incident which happened in, I think, Maharashtra, where Kawasaki Z900 guy with all accessories and with all safety guards has died because of a brain hemorrhage. So I think that it's safe with you guys on the road. These guards, everything are just a safety equipment which will make you confident to ride it. If you like this video, please do like this video, and I think that this face-to-face conversation is edible for you guys so that I can connect with you. And I think that this video would have been helpful for you in knowing about this product. If you want the links, you can find in the description box below, and please do like, share and comment if this video worth it. And this is Vignesh signing off by saying live your passion.